3, 2, 1.
What may be the reason why they had so much fun at the event? The answer is A. They felt like they belonged there. If you command a horse to G, what do you expect him to do? The answer is D. Turn right. What year did American television series Lassie debut? The answer is A. 1954. Why do so many people use crock pots? The answer is C. It is very easy for parents. What may happen if the puppy is still sick this morning? The answer is A. She may not be getting more food this afternoon. The Hundred Years' War, a series of related conflicts between France and England, started in 1337 and lasted how many years? The answer is B. 116. Common wisdom has it that the temporal bone temporal equals time is so named because this area of the head, the temple, is where hair typically first turns gray, indicating the passage of what? The answer is D. Time. A man is standing up in a red rowboat. The answer is D. Lift their boat out of the water. What kind of reproduction generates new individuals without fusion of an egg and sperm? The answer is B. Asexual. What kind of joints allow for a wide range of flexibility? The answer is C. Ball and socket. Why did they do nothing on their days off? The answer is C. They wanted to take a break from work. Where would a river flow downwards? The answer is B. On the mountainside. Mark Cuban is an advocate of whose philosophy? The answer is D. Ayn Rand's. In what year did the system begin operations in Japan? The answer is D. 2011. In what year did the Mongol conquest of China begin? The answer is B. 1331. Why are they going to edit the HTML code? The answer is C. They want to change the look of their blog. What may be the reason for this post? The answer is B. To describe my relationship with him. What is the narrator trying to get tickets to? The answer is B. To see a favorite TV show character. What have I probably never had? The answer is C. I have never had a significant other. What is causing the wave of aggression towards me? The answer is D. I keep whining the poker games. What type of person might the narrator be? The answer is A. Selfish and callous. What term is defined as the area where a species lives and to which it has become adapted? The answer is A. Habitat. In which year did Elvis Presley get married? The answer is A. 1967. Mitosis and meiosis are both forms of division of the nucleus in these. The answer is B. Eukaryotic cells. A gymnast swings back and forth from a bar. What happens next? The answer is B. Flips and turns several times. In which year did this English lawyer and judge become a King's Counsel who reaffirms Saul v. Butcher? The answer is A. 1938. Why is the narrator using an odd voice? The answer is B. To help them curse. Who was the first woman to receive a pension from the U.S. government as a disabled soldier? The answer is C. Margaret Cochran Corbin. The dissociation energy for a hydrogen-bromine bond is defined as the change in enthalpy, dH, for which of the following reactions? The answer is D. HBrG right arrow Hg plus Brg. When wasn't the Journal of Music Theory founded? The answer is D. 1957. What may be the reason they are going to be waiting a long time for an apology? The answer is B. The other person does not like to apologize. What type of advice is the narrator dispensing? The answer is A. Advice on meal prep. Why would Vince question Howard about The Flash? The answer is B. Vince also desires the Flash. She shows us her blow dryer box. She brings the blow dryer box back into view. The lady grabs and lifts her hair. What happens next? The answer is C. Shows us dryer attachments and the dryer. In what year did the Battle of Nezab take place? The answer is D. 1839. How many overseas territories does Britain still have? The answer is D. 14. What is the nickname of Cheech's cousin, Dwayne Mendoza, who parties all night with Chong in Cheech and Chong's next movie? The answer is A. Red. What is the name of the last novel written by author Virginia Woolf before she took her own life? The answer is B. Between the Acts. Which of the following events did not happen yet? The answer is A. I went to France. In what year did the GHMC form? The answer is A. 2007. To use a metal material for bike tire grips that doesn't require a layer to protect the inner tube from puncturing, how would you do this? The answer is A. Use flat-back rivets as grips. What is the Dark Knight? The answer is C. It is a Batman movie. Why would the item be taken out of the box? The answer is B. To look for any errors. Why did the woman sneer at her surroundings? The answer is C. Because she thought they were shabby. What are most fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains rich in? The answer is D. Cellulose. What year were hops first believed to be added to beer? The answer is B. 822. When did Demetrius seize the Macedonian throne? The answer is D. 294. Catch drips from messy ice cream. How would you do this? The answer is A. Stick coffee filter through ice cream stick. How many Grammy Awards has Beyoncé won? The answer is A. 20. What glands are wedges of glandular and neuroendocrine tissue adhering to the top of the kidneys by a fibrous capsule?